Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum, peace and blessings be upon you all. How are you guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you some hacks, I can say, because people, when I did the last video, I showed how to, make money with Fiverr, the freelancing sites. There are lots of websites which is called freelancing sites where you can offer your skills and you can try to make money with that. Fiverr, Freelancer, Truelancer, Conquer, People Per Hour. There are lots and lots of sites where whatever skill you have, you can go and offer your skill and you can work for somebody and make money with that. But people have been asking me, I'm not able to get even a single job or even a single single client. So in this video, I'm going to show you some hacks where you can try how you can get your first client, or you can see how to get your freelancing clients or your European clients, or wherever you're trying, you can try and get your first client. Okay, some hacks which is like many people don't know about this. So let me show you that little bit of hacks where you can kickstart your freelancing journey and you can start making some money with that. Okay, so let's jump onto the video. So if this is your first time watching, this is my channel here. Make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you get notified whenever I do videos on Make Money Online. And before I even start, in order to get your first client with freelancing, if I'm not sure if you watched this video on, you can see this rank fast on Fiverr. This is a video I did. Fiverr is a website where you post your freelancing jobs, right? So you can rank whatever the gig you put on the Fiverr. You need to rank it to the top. There's lots of competition going to be there. You need to rank at the top in order to get that client. So at least in the first page of search. So that's why I did this video. You can check this video. Rank fast on Fiverr. That's a very important video. Apart from that, I'm going to show you three kind of methods where you can follow in order to make sure, I'm just talking about Fiverr, I'm talking about Freelancer. There are lots of websites. These are the places where you can go and post your skills, whether you're a graphic designer, whether you're a project manager, whatever you're you can manage your social media, whatever the skills you have, you're good at Facebook ads, whatever the skills you have. Of course, I've done a video on that. You can go and post it on these places and you can start making money with that. But the problem is people come and post a single gig over this place and they are saying, I'm not getting any clients, I'm not getting any order, right? So that itself is a big mistake where you just post one gig and you just wait for people to come. No, it doesn't happen like that. You need to be active in order to get that client. Of course, you are a newbie, you are a beginner, you are going to be rejected. Might be, you're trying to reach somebody, right? Trying to get some clients, but you'll be, you'll be rejected, might be the first 10 times, 15 times, whatever it is, but you got to keep trying, in order to get that first client. Once you get that rolling, 1, 2, and 3 clients, then you're going to get comfortable with that and you're going to get lots of clients. But getting that first client is going to be the tough one. So what happens is that, let me show you the 3 methods. Out of the 3 methods and sets, let me show you the first one, which is called as a direct method. So that's what you call direct is that when you post a gig here, do you think people are going to come towards you, whatever the gig you put, whether it's logo making, whether you're graphic designing, whether you're good at anything? Why do you think, after you're putting, do you think people are going to come to you just like that? No, it's not going to happen at any cost. Of course, it might be lucky that somebody sees that and then come, because when you post some gig, you might be at the 100 or the 200th person on that gig list, the number of gig you might be that 10th or might be the 100th person who are offering the graphic design, right? How are you going to get the job? How are you going to get the job? So this is where people struggle, So what happens is that just give me a second, guys. Give me a second. Give me a second. There was a phone call. Okay. So anyway, let me get back to this one. The first method I would say is you go and approach the clients. So where do you approach the clients? Here we go. Let me show you some websites where you can go and try to direct reach these clients. Okay. When I say direct reach, there are a few websites which I used to go. Let me show you some of them. First is this one. It's called Angel List. You can see this angel.co. Angel List angel.co/jobs. Why is this? This is a website where you can go and look for jobs also if you have any talent. So just imagine I just came and typed in graphic design. You can see this comes up with the places where I've just put Dubai, but you can put you can choose like remote jobs, include remote jobs, and only remote is you can work from somewhere anywhere else. That's why it's called remote jobs. Anywhere from the world you can sit and work. But our aim is not one way going to go and work for somebody, right? But we are trying to get the company names where you can offer your services. That's the first trick. Actually, you come here, you just graphic design. You can see these companies, profits. This is a company here. This is the company here. This is the company here. These are all the companies. We are all, you can see this is a young startup dedicated to solving the lack of quality education. Whatever it is, the company is. They are a new company with 1 to 10 employees. You can see 1 to 10 employees, 11 to 50. Always don't go for the one which is like 300, 400, 500 employees. Try to go for the ones which are less employees, so you have a good chance that they need people to work for them. So these are people you go inside and go and check out the profile. I'm sure most of them will have some kind of contact, either by email or by LinkedIn. LinkedIn is the like top secret place where you can go and get lots and lots of clients. So you go there, try to reach them. See this people doesn't have much. I can't see. It is based on delhiprofits.com. If you go to the website, I'm sure it will take you to their website with all the contact details. You try to find the HR people. Go down of the website. This is a hard working way, but truly, of course, it's not going to make like, first as a first reach. You can see this graphic design, digital marketing. These are all things they require. They are doing actually. So what you do is you just go and contact them and say that I am a graphic designer. I am good at this. I like to offer my service to you. Okay. So this is like there are two things, there are two hacks are there, whether you can offer a free service or whether you can offer like a paid service. But give me a second, guys. Give me a second. I'm getting call always. Okay. So thing is, these are all startup companies who are funded companies. Okay. These list, which are showing you angel list. I'm going to show you other two websites where lots of companies are there. These are all startup companies. That means people are paying for them. They have got some funding to start that company, or to work on it. So you have a good chance that these people have money to pay for you. So it's the best way is direct contact. So you contact them and offer your service to them. This is the direct method. It is tough, but I'm telling you, at least after 15 or 20 or 30 emails, you keep pushing your service to them. Don't go and say, I want a job. Of course, even if you're searching a job, don't just go say like that. They're not going to get. You have to present to them yourself. How you, you have to sell to them. Right? So this is the one way of going and reaching the company and trying to find out. It is a tough method, but it does work. Might not be the first time. You might be rejected, 20, 30 times, but keep doing. I'm sure you will find. Actually, this is a website where you go and apply for jobs. Of course, if you have that, if you're looking for that method, you can always go and find. Many people don't know about this website, a very good website. People just know LinkedIn, but they don't know about these websites. Okay, so go and search for job as well. Also for offering a service as well. See, this is the website details you have. You go, and there are also lots of website softwares where you can go and find such companies. I'm showing you a free method without paying for the software. You just go manually search the companies. You go contact direct. It might seem like a big tough, but it does. It is a tough, long way to do it, but it does work. Okay, so you try to. This is a method. Two things, whether you want to find a job, that's one thing, but here I'm trying to say in this video how to launch your freelance clients, your European clients, your startup clients for all your freelancing jobs. I'm just showing you graphic design, but whatever your skill is, you can try to approach these people, because these are all new companies who are looking for employee. Imagine you're offering a service sitting remotely and you can offer at a good price. There are good chance that they can take you. Okay, right? That's very important. So this is the first website. Whatever you search, this is like all of them are really like new, and you can say are a new startup company who are ready to pay somebody to get some work done. Whether you are e-commerce, whether you are good at Facebook ads, graphic design, whatever it is, you have a good chance. See this they have like you're looking for animation designer for 8,000 to 10,000, whatever it is. Imagine you sitting at Dubai, you're sitting in Thailand, you can work for these people. So that's what I'm trying to say. Whatever the service you are put in Fiverr or Freelancer, you can approach these people and present your skill to them, and there's a good chance you get employed with these people. Okay, that's something I want to tell you. The first website this is. There are lots of websites. I'm going to show you a couple of them. This is the other company which is called yclist.com. I'm telling you guys, it's very hard. 90% of people will not know about these websites. So that's why I'm just trying to reveal these websites. You get to learn this from mentors. You get to learn from this from many courses you take, right? So, but I don't really use it. But I'm just trying to show you some way where you can approach and these companies through LinkedIn. Because any companies come here, just search these companies. Go inside the company, know about the company. When you email them, always present them. I understand your company about this. I am a graphic designer. I am a logo designer. I like to I like to present my service to you. I can work remotely from here. I have done for these people something. Try to present yourself in such a way that they get. When you present yourself, that is the most important thing. You can't just go say, I need a job, give me some job, give me some. No, you will not be accepted. Try to present to them in a way that, in a right way, right? So that's a different topic to talk, personality stuff. But try to approach in a way where you can make sure you can get the job. And of course, you're going to be rejected. Always be for the rejection. Be ready for that. At least like 15, 20 times. Keep doing. Then you get used to it. And then you can, hopefully, you can get the client. Okay, this is the second website, yclist.com. Note it down. Very good website. Other two websites are this one. Let me show you. That is called ctable. You can see this ctable.com, same concept. And also there's something called Crunchbase. Okay, this is also these are all companies list of startup companies. When I say startup companies, they get funded by other companies for doing some research or doing some job. So these people have some money to spend on graphic designing, on ads and stuff. So this is where you come in and present your job. Like, I am a good at ads, Facebook ads. I can do the Facebook ads for you. Show some of your jobs you have done. That's how you're going to get clients. So this is the first direct method. Okay. That is, after you post your gig in these places, you go and do these things. Try to approach these people. The second thing is most important is whatever it is. Imagine you posted a gig here for something like, this guy, a traffic way, low classy, with Dan edits, whatever you have done. Try to create a social profile for it. Go into, this is like, you have to create a social profile around it. In Pinterest, in Reddit, in Quora. These are all the social media websites. You need to create a social profile and start posting your jobs over it, saying that this is something I've done for something. Whether you have done or not, try to say that this is one of my jobs. Just do a job and show it to them in those social media sites, because this is the place where really you get free traffic. People, whenever they do search, nowadays people search on YouTube, people search on Quora, people search on Facebook, because they just want to get fast, because this is the place where billion people are there waiting. So when they search, there's a good chance you might come up looking for a graphic designer. I do get lots of clients through Facebook a lot, because this has become like a search engine, because they know lots of people are hanging out there. So try to create a social profile around that. Okay, that's the second tip. The third tip is where you go and offer your service for free. Lots and lots of Facebook groups are there. If you just go type to Facebook, you just search business. You just say business groups. Perth business group, India business group, Pakistan business group. Lots and lots of business groups are there. Go and join them and try to provide value, and just say, I like to offer 3 people who come in first. I am ready to do a logo design. I'm ready to do a free website design. Just say that, just 3 people who come in first. Just see how many people are commenting on you. Just provide free service for 1 month, 2 months, 3 months. Then you see, when that is how you keep rolling. You get, like, you call it as a snowball effect. A person who did the job with you, try to get a testimonial from them. And then post that testimonial in your social profile, saying that I have done this job for them. They liked it, something like that. This is how people get attracted to you, and they come back to you. That's the third tip for you, where people come back to you when they do the job. There's a good chance they themselves can come back to you and ask for a job. provide, say, asking you do this for me. And if not, they will also, like, if they say, we will recommend this to my friend, this is another way. Like, once they get the job done from you, they will say, I will recommend you to the other people, something like that. This is like called like a snowball effect. Whatever you do, you get to, like, there's a good chance you get more clients through that person whom you did for free. So this is what they say, like, there's an easy way you get more jobs by doing like for free for somebody, and then there's a good chance that you get more and more jobs from them. So these are 3 tips. One is direct method. Then other thing is you try to open lots of social accounts through around surrounding your freelance profile. That's the second method. And the third method is go and join lots of free business Facebook groups and provide service for free. I know it is hard, it is free, but just think in the long term that you're going to get more and more clients. That's the idea behind it. That's it, guys. That's the idea behind how to get freelance clients or European clients or whatever the clients you're looking for. This is like all these 3 methods will help you launch your first client. And once you get more and more jobs, then you don't need to bother about doing all this. Then you get easy, you will be ranked to the top and you get more and more clients. That's it, guys. So it's all about how to get your freelance clients. And if this is your first time watching, make sure you subscribe and hit that bell icon so you can get notified whenever I do more and more videos. Thanks a lot for your time. See you in the next one. Bye.